Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Today we are going to study Unit 4 of GK, that is Sports and Leisure. So all of you please open your GK book. Please open page number 34 in your GK book, Rio Olympics 2016. First of all, let us discuss what are Olympic Games. Olympic Games are the international sporting events in which the summer and winter competitions held, and in these games thousands of athletes across the world participate in it. Now the Rio Olympic 2016. These Olympic Games 2016 were held in Brazil from August 5 to 21, and in this game thousands of athletes from across the world participate in it. So today we are going to discuss the important points of Rio Olympic Games 2016. All of you also write the answers along with me in your book. So number 1. Rio Olympics were the first Olympic to be held in the South American continent. Is this statement is true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Second, what was the mascot of the Rio Olympics? Now, what is the mascot? Mascot is a place, animal or object. It is believed to bring the good luck. So, the mascot of the Rio Olympic game was Velocious. Third, which country topped the medal tally at the Rio Olympics? So, the country is United States. This country topped the medal at the Rio Olympics. Fourth, which player won a silver medal for India in badminton at the Rio Olympics? So, the answer is PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu won the medal for India. Fifth, in which sport did Sakshi Malik win a bronze medal for India? So, Sakshi Malik win a bronze medal in wrestling. Sixth, Deepak Kamarkar gave a valiant performance at the Olympic game but missed the bronze medal by a whisker. Which sport is she associated with? So, the answer is gymnastics. Deepak Karmarkar is associated with the game of gymnastics. 7. How many medals did India win at the Rio Olympics? Well, this is a proud moment for India. India won 2 medals in Rio Olympics 2016. 1 silver medal and 1 bronze medal. Next. 8. Which team won the gold medal in men's hockey event at the Rio Olympics? So, the answer is Argentina. Argentina won the gold medal in men's hockey event at Rio Olympics 2016. 9. Which player won the maximum number of gold medals at the Rio Olympics? So, the answer is Michael Phelps. Michael Phelps won the maximum numbers of medals at the Rio Olympics. So, I hope you all have written these answers in your book. Now, please open page number 35. In page number 35, we are discussing about the sporty quiz. Fill in the following blank and complete the sentences about the different sports. Here, as you can see in your book, fill in the blanks are given. Here, we have to fill the blank according to the sporty sentence, or that sentence is related to the sports or games. So, according to that game, we have to fill that sentence. Number 1. Blank is a Korean martial art. It is a Korean word which literally means art of kicking and punching. So, do you know kicking and punching? This sentence related to which game? Correct. The answer is Taekwondo. Some of the students also do Taekwondo in school also. You all love to do this activity, that is Taekwondo. Second, blank is a sport that is held in velodrome. billiards game picture is given in your book. Next, 6. Karateka is the person who practices karate. Have you seen the person doing karate? Yes. So the answer of this question is karate. 7. Blank is the game in which the winner has to reach exactly 0 on the last throw. Which game it is? So the game is darts. The game is darts. 8. You use an iron to tee off on the course in this sport known as. The answer is goal. This sport is known as goal. 9. You use the weapons, sabres and foils in the sports called fencing. The answer of 9th one is fencing. 10. You can relate the US club, the New York Yankees with the sport. So the answer of this question is baseball. As you can also see, baseball is very common sporting event. So these some of the games were also a part of the Olympic Games. Now please turn off your page number 36. Here in this exercise, some pictures of few games are given here. By looking at the pictures, you have to answer these following questions. Okay? So, number 1. This is a sport of riding and performing tricks on a skateboard. In which picture you can see the skateboard? Yes, picture number 1 you can see the skateboard. So, the answer is skateboarding. Second, this is a sport that involves diving into the water from a cliff. Now, in the picture number 2, you can see the person is diving into a water. So, what does we call that sport? This sport is known as cliff diving. Third, this sport involves throwing of a 2.5-meter long spear as far as possible. Which sport it is? This sport is javelin throw. As the picture number 3 showing that a person is throwing something. So that sport is a javelin throw. Next, fourth. This is an Olympic sport based on the traditional skills of swordmanship. Fourth, the answer of fourth is fencing. As you can see, the picture number 4 is showing the game fencing. Now, fifth. Serena Williams, Sania Mirza, Roger Federer and Andy Murray are the popular players of the sport. So, we all know that Sania Mirza belongs to the sport tennis. Correct. So, the answer of this game is tennis. You can also see this picture shows the game tennis. Now, sixth. This is a way to observe life underwater and involves wearing a diving mask, a breathing tube and a swim fins. So, the answer is snorkeling. As you can see, the last picture shows the game snorkeling. Now, we are starting the next chapter, that is Football World Cup 2018. Open page number 37. Now, what are Football World Cup? These are the international football tournament which are played by the men's national team. The FIFA World Cup 2018 was hosted by Russia. Now, here one exercise is given. In this exercise, you have to answer the questions by selecting one among 4. So, let's start. Also, in this exercise, we are going to learn some interesting facts about the FIFA World Cup 2018. Number 1. Which country was defeated by France to win the World Cup? So, the correct answer is first C, that is Croatia. Croatia was the country which was defeated by the France to win the World Cup. Second, which country qualified to play in the World Cup football tournament for the very first time? So, the answer is A, Iceland. Iceland was the country very first time in FIFA World Cup 2018. Third, which country did the famous football player Lionel Messi represent at the World Cup 2018? So the answer number third is C, that is Argentina. Lionel Messi was representing country Argentina in the World Cup 2018. Fourth, name the country that has won the Football World Cup for 4 times in the past but could not qualify this time to play the tournament. The answer is 4B, that is Italy. Fifth, Golden Globe winner Thibaut Courtois belong to which of the following country? So the answer is D, that is Belgium. The player Thibaut was representing the country Belgium, or he belongs to the country Belgium. Sixth, Harry Kane, who won the Golden Boot award for scoring 6 goals in the tournament, was the captain of. The answer is 6A, that is England. Harry Kane player was the captain of England team. 7. Where was the opening ceremony of the FIFA World Cup 2018 held? So, 7th answer is A, that is Luzhniki Stadium, Moscow. Here, the opening ceremony of FIFA World Cup 2018 was held. Now, please turn over your page. Asian Games 2018, page number 38. Now, what are Asian Games? Asian Games are also known as Asia. So, it is a continental thing. And these Asian Games held every 4 years. Now, let us discuss some important facts about these Asian Games. Asian Games was regulated by the Asian Games Federation. So, here some questions are given which are related to the Asian Games 2018 and you have to answer it. Number 1. What was the mascot of the 18th Asian Games? Now again, what is the mascot here? We have learned in the previous chapter that mascot is a person, animal, place or thing which is believed to bring the good luck. So, the mascot of the Asian Games was Bhin Bhin and Atal, Deer and Kaka. Second, how many countries participated in this game? So, in this game, total 45 countries were participated in the Asian Games 2018. Third, which country topped the medal tally at the Asian Games 2018? Which country topped? So, the answer is China. China is the country which topped the medal tally at the Asian Games. Fourth, what was the Indian place in the medal tally at the Asian Games 2018? So the answer is 8. The position of our India in Asian Games 2018 at medal tally was 8. Next, fifth, which country won the men's hockey gold medal defeating Malaysia in the finals? So the correct answer is Japan. Sixth, name the Indian athlete who won 2 medals, a gold and a silver, at the 1500 meter and 800 meter running events respectively. So the answer is Jinson Johnson. Jinson Johnson was the Indian player who won the 2 medals in the Asian Games 2018. 7. Name the boxer who won a gold medal for the India at the 18th Asian Games. So the answer is Amit Panghal. Amit Panghal was a boxer who won the gold medal for India in Asian Games 2018. Now we are coming to the page number 39, that is sports and films. So nowadays, as you can see, so many films are being produced. So all the students also love to watch movies, but some movies are related to some particular games. For example, Sultan, Chak De India. So in this exercise, we will discuss about some movies which are related to a particular games. As you can see, the picture poster of that movie is also movie Mary Kom was based on the game boxing. Third, movie Lagan involved the sport of, all have been watched movie Lagan so many times. So the correct answer is cricket. The movie Lagan was related to the game cricket. Next, fourth, Jerry Maguire was a movie based on. So the movie was based on American football. The movie Jerry Maguire was related to the game American football. Next, fifth, Chak De India movie was made on the sport of. So just now we have learned that movie Chak De India was related to the game hockey. Next, sixth, The $1 Million Baby movie was based on. So the movie $1 Million Baby was based on boxing. Seventh, the movie Bend It Like Beckham was based on. This movie was based on the game football. Next, 8. The movie Sultan was based on. Everybody knows the answer of this question. The movie was Sultan was based on the game wrestling. So in this chapter we have learned about the different movies which were related to a particular games. Now turn off your page. Famous Indian artists, page number 40. Now famous Indian artists, in this chapter we are going to discuss about the famous artists of our India. So here some clues are given, and by these clues we have to answer the following question. Number 1. One of the most respected ghazal singers of India. So the answer is Begum Akhtar. Begum Akhtar was the most respected and the famous ghazal singer of our India, and she is also known popularly. Second, son of legendary tabla player Ustad Khan, he is the youngest tabla player ever to be awarded a Padma Shri. So the answer is second, Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain has got the award, that is Padma Shri. Third, he is considered as the most legendary Carnatic music composer of all the time. The answer is Tyag Raja. He is the famous composer of music